We're talking about equity stripping. That is stripping the equity out of property so when somebody sues you, there won't be anything of value left to take. So what's the first thing that an attorney is going to do? They're going to do an asset search to find out how deep your pockets are. If you have a bunch of real estate out there with a bunch of equity in it, the attorney is going to say, heck, you don't even have to pay me. I'll just get paid from what I get out of this guy or gal. But if they don't see any property because of the privacy strategies we employ, or if the person suing already knows where these assets are, or if the attorney looks and shows the equity has been stripped out of the property, the attorney will either not take the case or will settle for the insurance policy limit. And they're willing to go the extra mile. We have the third-party lender who purchases these liens and then puts the proceeds from these mortgages into an international asset protection trust. Typically, the money will go to the offshore LLC, and the offshore LLC is inside the trust. So in that case, the original equity lines of credit that are recorded against these properties are now monetized. Okay, now somebody purchases these mortgages and they put the proceeds from these mortgages into your international LLC, which is in your asset protection trust. You can watch our offshore trust video, our Cook Islands trust video. So in this case, you have our offshore trustee / law firm step in to protect you, and the local courts don't have jurisdiction over our law firm in the Cook Islands. So our offshore trustee works on your behalf to protect your liquid assets, including the proceeds from the distribution of the equity strip and the purchase of the mortgages from your own LLC. So to be clear, the Cook Islands Trust, your offshore LLC, and the third-party lender is the missing piece of the puzzle that gives this equity stripping strategy the teeth that it needs to survive a court challenge.